Hello everyone, welcome to part 77 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt, here we are with our 77th principle in this series. And this one is another good one. I say that almost all the time these days because I am just loving these, and I know you guys are too. So, our 77th principle is to be a list writer. And what he says here is that a goal gains power when we write it down, and it gains more power every time we write it down. This is something you can do on the day-to-day pretty easily when you just write down a goal or an affirmation. It will really strengthen it when you just put it down. And the more you put it down, that gets more of your neurons firing about it. It gets your neural pathways more aligned to it, and through the process of neuroplasticity, which is how that works, you're going to be thinking more to subconscious and conscious level about your goal, and therefore making more progress on achieving it. So basically, being a list writer is to write down these things. Now, being a list writer can be very dangerous, okay? It's not like it's, being in the army kind of dangerous, like you're gonna get shot or something. But the danger here is that you're gonna drift into perfectionism. You're gonna write down a perfect list of all the things you wanna do today, and they're gonna be like 35 of them. And you're gonna accomplish some of them, but then you're gonna lose your motivation because you feel like the task is so huge, and you feel like it's so specific, and it's all in order, and it's like trying to eat something all in one bite. Imagine like there's a pizza, okay? And you try to stuff it all in your mouth all at once. Okay? Now, while you might be able to eat the whole pizza and desire to do so, and that being okay, the problem is if you try to eat it all at once, you can't chew all of it, you can't swallow all of it, okay? This is a big pizza here. So instead, take smaller bites and you can really achieve things, and focus on the small things, because if you focus on everything that is so big, you're often not going to achieve it because it is too big. You feel like, I'm making no progress. My goal is so huge, I can't even get there. Now, it's fine to have big goals, at least in the long run, but always focus on something a little bit smaller in the short run. At least that's my recommendation. And so yeah, be a list writer, write down your goal over and over again, feel good about it, affirm it, okay? And this will make a massive difference in your ability to achieve it. Anyway, that's part 77. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with part 78. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.